Good morning, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party. I do not have much time this morning. I have no idea why, but like I had the hardest time waking up out of bed today. And I only have a couple minutes before I have to start work, and so let me flip over to my space and time project. Open recent. Space and time. And let's start the tests up. Start the whole application up. npm start. I actually learned a lot about like transpiling and stuff like that because I'm trying to build a really cool JS Plum application, and the JS Plum I think is my favorite um, of all JavaScript libraries. I think JS Plum is pretty awesome. I think I also like 3JS a lot. I think 3JS is absolutely amazing, and I think D3 is amazing too. But my very, 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 very first true love of a fun library, not like obviously like it's always been fun to have um like jQuery was a really fun library, and so is but it was just pretty much mostly about um creating UI elements and stuff like that, and other even more important things like keeping basically early on when the browsers first came out, they weren't consistent. JavaScript wasn't implemented consistently, all of them, and so jQuery did a great job of sort of taking care of that. But um, the problem, oh, you know what? We can go over here. The problem that we were dealing with, but that problem is gone now, right? Like the browsers all use the same JavaScript engine, or if they don't, there's the specifications are very clear on what it's supposed to do and how it's supposed to work. So, anyways, I think we were trying to do this one right last time. Entity table TypeScript, is that right? It looks like we have one branch. I felt like we actually had gotten that one working now that I think about it, but maybe not. All right, so we got this. Gosh, for some reason, everything is very blurry to me today. Apply filters. Accepts. So I'm wondering if we have an apply filters control. Apply filters. Is this it? Yeah, this guy right here. So it looks like we have this, and this is in our entity table component, and then this up here is our entity table. Entity table. Oh, it's the same one. So actually, it looks like app data layout. No, this is entity table component. Okay, so we want to take this. I'm going to copy this whole thing over. It was this one, right? Apply filters. I guess I should look to see. Is there more than one? Yeah, no, there's only one. See, there's only one up here. All right, so we'll come over here, and now we want to go to our entity table spec. Okay, and this was the one we're actually already working on. Control V. There's a part of me that tells me I should be trying to like delete these over there when I need them, but so once I move it, delete it, just so I don't have to worry about it, and I'll know when they're all gone that they've all been used. But then it's so easy to delete commented out things. All right, so let's see. So that ran. We can see that our unit tests ran again on their own. 138, 0 failures. Let's see. We were at 94.1. Hopefully that goes up. Did we? Oh, we're at 97.05. All right, so that was good. So now we just need this route value filter. Let's go back. And that's probably this one, right? Yep, that's a good guess. Handles menu changes. So if we take this, copy it from here, and see like how much like you I don't really know. It's because I'm blindly copying and pasting things. I have every reason to believe that it is perfectly exactly what we want, but and there was a point in time earlier where I kind of thought through it all and said, oh, okay, now I understand what's happening here. But I don't really know. Okay, so you can't really see, but it is in fact rebuilding, so that's good. And I think what last time, oh, okay, so that worked, and now we're hoping that we'll hit reload here, and we're at 100%, 100. All right, so let's go back to all files. So we didn't even have to get like focused, like there's a the F describe or anything like that because it was very clear. Sometimes the way different things interact with each other can make it difficult. All right, so we either have our ST services or our filter component. Next. And ST service doesn't have any branches, so let's go ahead and go to that one. And so there's probably, I would imagine there's that publish filter change um, unit test somewhere. And I know there's a table transform unit test. So that will be what we do tomorrow. I was supposed to start work 2 minutes ago. I'm a bad, bad guy. Happy coding, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.